Are you also confused with all the LinkedIn plans and whether LinkedIn Premium is worth paying for? And what does it even do? Don't worry, I got you covered. On this video, I'll show you a side-by-side comparison of LinkedIn Free, which anyone can sign up to, and LinkedIn Premium, the paid version of LinkedIn. I'll compare three main characteristics that are pricing, networking opportunities, and personal branding features. My name is Yusuf, and over the past years, I've helped generate over 10,000 business meetings for my clients using LinkedIn as a primary channel, leading even to the sale of my agency called The Scale Lab and founding a successful SaaS company called Scalelist.com. But since this video is not sponsored by LinkedIn, everything I'll share with you is my fully unbiased opinion. First things first, you need to know that there are several LinkedIn plans, and I know it can be really overwhelming, but by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the main differences. If you want to nerd out on the specifics of all other LinkedIn plans, this article, which I also left in the description of this video, shows you in table format the core differences. But today, we'll focus on premium only. And if you stick till the end, I have 10 referral links I can share with you for 2 months free of LinkedIn Premium. There are actually two types of premium subscriptions. One is called Premium Career, which is basically for job seekers, and the other one is called Premium Business, which is actually more for salespeople, so they call it small business owners and leaders. So based on your use case, whether you're a job seeker or a salesperson, the choice will be different as features are not exactly the same. Let's tackle the elephant in the room. The pricing. Price will actually depend on your location, so you should check this on your own. But if you're in the US, at the time of this video, Premium Career goes for $29.99 per month and Premium Business for $59.99 per month, so almost double. And both come at a discount if you purchase the plan yearly. Now, what justifies the difference and how much better is it even from the free version? And for this, we will have to check the networking opportunities that each plan will provide. One of the great features of LinkedIn is that you can see who has viewed your profile recently. I'm on a free account here of my friend, so on the left-hand side, you can see profile viewers here. And on a free account, unfortunately, you cannot see in detail who has seen your profile. Sometimes you see up to 3 people who actually have seen your profile, but otherwise the information is blurred and you can just see what company they work for. So you can unlock this if you have the premium feature, whether it's career or business. In comparison, this is a premium account, which is actually mine. I can see specific details on who has viewed my profile. I even have a graph. I can check on the time frame, whether it's past 14 days, 28 days, up to 1 year as well. I can even see who are the viewers, so they can help me get a job, senior leaders with my job function as well, so people I can connect to directly, people in my industry, or even work at companies that I actually follow. So this is very good for networking. I can also see what company they're in, and I have a lot more filters to check who has viewed my profile. This is very helpful. On top of this, I can see who are the people who viewed my profile, I can connect with them, message them, and just build a relationship here on LinkedIn. Another feature is the open to, which you probably have seen on LinkedIn, where it shows on your profile picture open to hire, open for work, and open for other opportunities. So this comes only with the premium accounts. So here on the open to section, which I only have on premium obviously, I can click on hiring, finding a new job, providing services, finding volunteering opportunities. This is really good because it enables me as a business owner, or for example as a job seeker, to showcase what my interests are. So let's imagine I'm actually looking for a new job. I can select what type of titles I'm interested in, the location types, even the geography of the roles. I can also say that I'm immediately looking, but also flexible, and what kind of jobs I'm actually looking for. I can even show who I want to see my badge, so recruiters only or all LinkedIn members. As you can see here, if you zoom in, there's an open to work badge. Currently, I'm not looking for a job, but this was just to show you an example. This is great because from the get-go, you can show whether you're currently hiring, whether you're looking for a job. You can even showcase some of your services, whether that's lead generation, consulting, coaching, or else, and also find volunteering activities. Another great feature of LinkedIn is that when you connect with individuals, you can actually leave them a note so they know what it is about. So here for this example, if I click on more and click on connect, I can add a note here. You'll see I'm currently on a free LinkedIn account, so I only have 3 personalized invitations remaining for this month, and my message can only be up to 200 characters. Let's see how different it is on a premium account. For premium, I'm not limited by how many personalized invitations I can add. I can do that for all connection requests I'm sending. And I'm also not limited to 200 characters, but 300 characters. So my message can be more impactful than anybody who has a free account. One thing to note is that you're limited to 100 connection requests per week, whether you're on a free account or paid account. That's exactly the same. So that means up to about 400 connection requests per month. Another differentiator is you can only send 5 InMails per month on your premium career, but you can send 15, so 3 times more on the premium business. An InMail is simply a direct message that is not limited by characters, like the connection request, and that will also fall in the notifications of your prospects or whoever you're contacting. So these are very interesting credits to use when you have a specific message to send to anybody. On career, it's only 5. On business, it's 15. And on free, it's 0. Last but not least, you also have on the premium business unlimited people browsing, which you don't have on free and neither on career. Unlimited browsing is simply when you're on the LinkedIn account and you're searching for individuals. For example, I'll type CEOs and I'll search for people. There is a limited amount of people you can actually browse through when you're on free or career, but it's not limited when you're on a business plan. Next up, let's look at differences in terms of personal branding features. On a premium business account and not available on premium career or free, I can add a custom button to my profile. This custom button usually leads to something that I want to promote, sell, or else. For example, visiting my store, my website, see my portfolio of clients, visit my blog, book an appointment, my newsletter. So quite a few options to lead people not only to stay on my profile, but actually to go visit my activity. This is specific to Business Premium. Another feature that's exclusive to Business Premium only is the rotation here of my thumbnails. I can add up to 3 thumbnails to have a slideshow so that whenever somebody lands on my profile, which kind of looks like a landing page, they can see 3 different thumbnails. So usually tells a story, here for example a second, and now a third. These rotate automatically, I don't have to click, but as a user, I can also click if I want to. In comparison here to a free account, I can only add one specific thumbnail and nothing else. When you also purchase a premium plan, whether that's career or business, you also get this LinkedIn Premium icon, the golden badge, which you can see, for example, on other profiles. I can see that these individuals don't have it, but this person does have it. It usually looks more professional when you do. I usually think that it's a nice to have, not necessarily a must have, but always good to keep in mind. So in conclusion, LinkedIn Premium accounts do have several features that are not available on free, which can sometimes be very limiting. Also, it's important to note what your use case actually is. Ask yourself, do I want to find a new job or am I selling? Because the main difference between career and business is that premium business provides you more features for your personal branding than career offers, which is why it also comes at 2 times the price. In the end, it's up to you to decide whether you should go for it or not. I can share with you a referral link that will give you 2 months free to use. Personally, I use LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which also includes premium business and has far more capabilities for sales than either premium business or career. If you're still not sure what plan to get, this next video is giving you a clear differentiator between LinkedIn and LinkedIn Sales Navigator, the next level plan that I'd say most top performing salespeople are actually using. So over to you and happy scaling.